Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Blurry Teams screen share on your Teams app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Teams app. So all you have to do is to just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do is to just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do is to just go down here to find Teams app. So just keep going down here, and you click here on Teams. Then it's going to take you to the next window here, and you just click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK, and you go down here, you click here on storage, and it's going to take you to storage window. Then you just click here on clear cache, and you click here on clear data here if you want to clear your data. And all you have to do now, so just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store, then it's going to take you here. So just search for James. It's going to show for you like this. You will click here on updates. You will find here updates. You will click on updates, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.